Hey everybody, this is Jyoti from Verbal Hub, and in this video I'm going to discuss the facts of grammar and how these facts are important in writing. Now let's begin the video with a question that why to know grammar? Means what is the importance of grammar and why should we learn it? Now in writing we know we need to write some effective, impactful and correct sentences, and those can be written only then we know some grammar. Now from where to start, because in grammar we have plenty of structures, so it is really easy to learn tenses, and this is a basic thing we should know. And let's begin tenses from simple present, simple past and simple future. Now simple present, it means where we talk about some facts, duties, habits and repeated actions. So let us understand more about facts, duty, habits and repeated actions with some examples. Now facts, it means universal truth, general facts. Example: Earth rotates on its axis, or Earth revolves around the sun. So these two things cannot be replaced, cannot be denied, because these are universal fact or truth. What about general fact? Means those things cannot be neglected. These are fact. Example: wind blows, river flows, birds fly. So these are general facts. We cannot say no, birds can walk only. Alright, now next thing, what is duty? Duty, it means where we know some sense of responsibility. Example: the train arrives at 11 a.m. Now this is the time when train arrives, so this is the fixed timing. Similarly, I can say she works for 8 hours, so her working hours are fixed, 8 hours. Alright, now some other examples about habit. Habits are the type of work that we do every day. Example: this is my part of habit that I do not throw trash here and there, or this is my habit to take tea. So what is your habit? You can write here in present simple. Example is written: I read book every morning. So yes, this is my habit. Okay, now next one is repeated action. So she visits her grandma every year, or I can say I go for walk every morning. Every morning, it means each and every morning. This is a repeated task for me to go to walk. Okay, so these are the uses of present simple. Now let's read some more examples. He drinks tea at breakfast. So this is the time when he have breakfast. That time he drinks tea as well. She only eats fish. So this is her habit of eating non-vegetarian food. They watch television regularly. So at some extent it is repeated action as well, because regularly is a word that depicts it. The thing is done again and again. It is practiced again and again. Now for repeated actions or events, example is written: we catch the bus every morning. So it means yes, every morning we have to catch the bus. This is fact and we have to do this. Some general truths like water freezes at 0 degree. It means yes, but obviously cannot say that water boils at 0 degrees, right? So it is general fact that if it is 0 degrees Celsius, so water cannot be boiled, but yes, it freezes. Now her mother is Peruvian, so it is the identity of that woman that she is Peruvian. As I am Indian, so this is my identity. Alright, now let's talk about some markers of present simple tense. Always, often, usually, sometimes, seldom, never, and some phrases as every day, every week, every year, on Mondays, after school. These are some of the markers that we can use in simple present tense. Now, what about structures? See, in simple present tense, we have to segregate subjects into two parts. Number one is plural and another one is singular. What singulars are? Singulars, it means he, she, its name, and plural, it means I, we, you, they. So the subject means structure of the sentence should be subject, first form and object. Birds fly. Here we are talking about more birds. It means plural identity. That's why only verb first form is required. Now, what about if I write the same example in negative? So I do have to write do not. Birds do not fly. Okay. Next thing. She works. She works, it means what? Subject is singular here. She. He, she, its name are the singular subjects. That's why in place of verb first form, I have to write verb S or ES form or fifth form. So, examples are she works, he dances, she sings beautifully, or if I have to write the same example in negative, so in place of do not, I need to write does not. So she doesn't work, or he doesn't dance, or she does not sing beautifully. Now note is do not use does not and then S or ES form of verb. Example, she does not works properly. This is incorrect.